Good day today. We will present the life and contribution of Dr. Luz Oliveros Belardo, a pioneer in pharmaceutical chemistry. She made significant discoveries in essential oils and medical plants, shaping the future Philippine pharmaceutical science. Early life and education. Slide with her birth details and educational background, possibly with image of universities. Luz Oliveros Belardo was born on November 3, 1906 in Philippines. She showed an early passion for science. She pursued a bachelor's and master's degree in pharmacy at the University of the Philippines and later earned a PhD in pharmaceutical chemistry from the University of Connecticut in 1957. Scientific contribution. Slide bit showing essential oils, medical plants, and chemicals. Dr. Bellardo's research focused on the essential oils of over 200 species of Philippine medicinal plants. She analyzed their antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties, contributing to herbal medicine development. Career and leadership. Slide with photos of UP, National Institute of Science and Technology, and pharmaceutical labs. She played a key role in Philippine pharmaceutical sciences as a professor and researcher at UP. She later became the director of the Pharmaceutical Chemistry Division at the National Institute of Science and Technology and served as a dean of the College of Pharmacy at UP. Awards and recognition. Slide displaying the National Scientist Award and other recognitions. In recognition of her groundbreaking work, Dr. Bellardo was named a National Scientist of the Philippines in 1987, the highest scientific honor in the country. She also received the Philippine Pharmaceutical Association's Award for Research. Legacy and impact. Slide with modern applications of herbal medicine, her published papers, and their influence on today's researchers.
Even after her passing in 1999, her research continues to influence pharmaceutical chemistry and natural product drug development. She has inspired generations of scientists to explore the rich biodiversity of the Philippines. Dr. Luz Oliveros Belardo was a true pioneer in Philippine science. Her work in essential oils and pharmaceutical chemistry has left an incredible mark on the industry.